What if aging didn't automatically mean getting weaker? Lobsters continue growing throughout their lives. Some can live over 50 years. They produce an enzyme that repairs DNA damage better than most animals. So why don't they live forever? Molting gets harder and more energy expensive as they grow larger. The question is, do they die from age? Usually no. Most die from predators, disease, or failed molting. They're not immortal, but they're closer than most animals. If longevity science interests you, like and subscribe.